Welcome to my channel, you guys. I'm just going to do a quick little video here of what to pack when you're going on a cruise for 10 days. So a lot of people will kind of question, what do I need to bring? So this kind of gives you an idea. I pre-checked the weather. The weather's going to be hot there, so a lot of mine are shorts and stuff like that. I'll show you what medications to bring. So let me flip this around and I'll show you. Okay, so you always, no matter where you go, you always want to pack a swimsuit because you don't know, you have the hot tubs, stuff like that. I like to relax in the hot tubs. My underwear, my socks, I have my workout clothes. I always bring just in case. I always bring extra pairs of underwear, extra pairs of socks. And then I have my shorts. I bring a lot of dresses. I'm not going to show you all my clothes. I have my makeup, of course. We have shavers in there. His shaving, all his shaving equipment. You always want to bring a lint roller. Flip this around. So I have naproxen for pain. I always bring acid reducer, powder, sunblock, toothpaste, of course, deodorant. Dramamine is a big one. I have not gotten motion sickness since my very first cruise, but I always bring it just in case. You never know how the water's going to be, and that way I don't have to put an arm and a leg through the doctors on the ship. Tylenol. My husband has asthma. He doesn't need it on a regular basis, but I always bring my the inhaler just in case. You never know if something's gonna make it react. Let me get my other stuff. Okay, so his deodorant, wipies. You never know if you need them or not. He has lotion, shampoo just in case. They always have shampoo on there, soap on there, but my hair is I get dry scalp if I don't be careful. My hair products, more sunblock, Imodium. You always want to carry Imodium just in case, so you don't go to the doctors, because if you go to the doctors, you will get quarantined because you're sick. So therefore, I always bring my own just in case something happens. We have 2 formal nights. So I will be bringing formal dresses, but that's the base of medicine you want to bring for sure. So the rest of my clothes, I will be bringing dresses just because I like to wear dresses. So I have 2 formal wear. He has a suit. In Princess Dining, you cannot wear tank tops. So he has to bring his tank tops for during the day, and then he has to bring t-shirts for later on that afternoon. For lunch, if we want to sit in the cafeteria. In other words, we'll be getting the buffet style lunch. So I'm going to try and stick on keto on this cruise. It'll be very interesting if I can. I'm going to try my hardest though. I'm going to try and YouTube everything I can. So hopefully that will definitely keep me on track, because if I'm recording to you guys, it's going to come. I'm going to try and be more careful and conservative of what I eat. So that kind of gives you the base of it. Always pack, like I said, your swimsuits. You never know if you're going to want to work out. Bring out your workout clothes. A lot of times when you're doing elliptical, it's looks out the ocean. I will be filming on the cruise what everything looks like, so you have an idea. If you guys have questions or you guys want to see something, let me know and I'll do my best to show it. I'm going to pre-post this so that way you guys could see it and ask questions, and then when I'm on the ship, hopefully I'll be able to answer your questions if you have any questions. So have a good day, you guys.